welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm starting the concept of basics of microprocessor. The question is, what is this microprocessor? The answer is, it is an electronic device. As the name suggests, micro means small in size and processor means which do some operations. That is, microprocessor is a CPU, that is central processing unit on a single integrated circuit containing millions of components like transistors, diodes, resistors, etc. Microprocessor is a silicon chip which includes ALU, that is arithmetic or logic unit, register circuits and control circuits. The microprocessor recognizes and processes a group of bits together. This group of bits is called a word. A group of 8 bits called byte. Example, this group of 8 bits together called 1 byte. Next, a group of 4 bits called nibble. Example, this group of 4 bits together called 1 nibble. Next is block diagram. This is the block diagram. This microprocessor takes the instructions from the memory to do some operations, and also the microprocessor stores the instructions which has to be stored into the memory. This memory is of ROM, that is read only memory, and RAM, that is random access memory, and registers. This microprocessor will be of three main units, that is the arithmetic or logic unit ALU, next is the control unit, next an array of registers for holding data while it is being manipulated. This microprocessor takes the instructions from the memory to execute. To execute a program, the microprocessor reads each instructions from the memory, then interprets and executes it. That is, it fetches, decodes and executes. For n number of inputs, there will be 2 to the power of n number of combinations. For a microprocessor which is having an address bus of 16-bit, we'll have 2 to the power of 16, that is equal to 64 kilobytes of memory of addressing capacity. Each memory chips of 2k into 4 bit of memory. Next is the important and mostly used microprocessor is 8085 microprocessor. This microprocessor is an 8-bit microprocessor, that is a data bit or an input of 8-bit. Microprocessor understands 2 to the power of 8 combinations, that is 256. It uses a total of 246 bit patterns. Remaining 10 bit patterns are not used at all. These 246 patterns represents only 74 instructions. The supply of instructions will be more in hexadecimal number system instead of binary number system for a easy convenient. It performs 8-bit operations generally. It is capable of addressing 64 kilobytes of memory. It has an address bus of 16 bits. The pin diagram of 8085 microprocessor has 40 pins. The pin number 20 is a ground reference. Pin number 40 is a plus 5 volt of power supply. Pin number 1 is X1 and pin number 2 is X2 are connected to crystal to operate at a 3 megahertz of frequency, and 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte is equals to 2 to the power of 10 bytes, that is equal to 1024 bits. 1 megabyte is equals to 2 to the power of 20 bytes. 1 gigabyte is equals to 2 power 30 bytes. 1 terabyte is equals to 2 power 40 bytes. This is the KSET 2015 question. The question is, a 16-bit address bus of a microprocessor can support a memory size of, these are all the options. We know that 1 byte is equals to 8 bits and 1 kilobyte is equals to 2 to the power of 10 bytes, that is equals to 1024 bits. We know that for a 16-bit address bus, there will be 2 to the power of 16 combinations, that is equals to 64 kilobytes of memory, that is 64 into 1 kilobyte is equals to 1024, that is 64 into 1024 is 65,536. Therefore, for this question, the answer is C option. Next is KSET 2015 question. The question is, a program access 10 continuous memory locations, the microprocessor will take less time if the addressing mode is. In microprocessor, address the memory locations directly to the memory. Therefore, for this question, the answer is B option. Next is KSET General Paper 2017 question. The question is 4 gigabytes is equal to. These are all the options. We know that 1 gigabyte is equals to 2 power 30 bytes. For 4 gigabytes, that is equals to 4 is 2 square gigabytes. 2 square into 1 gigabyte is 2 to the power of 30 bytes. Therefore, 2 to the power of 30 bytes. For this question, the answer is C option. Next is KSET 2017 question. The question is in 8085 microprocessor system with memory mapped IO. These are all the options. Option A is IO devices have 8-bit address. IO devices are accessed using in and out instructions. There can be a maximum of 256 input devices and 256 output devices. Arithmetic and logic operations can be directly performed with the IO data. This IO are input or output. These IO devices are input or output devices. That is, input devices, keyboard, mouse, and output devices are monitors, printers, etc. We know that microprocessor used memory for arithmetic and logic operations. Here the arithmetic operations like addition, multiplication, and some complex arithmetic operations like square roots, exponentials, etc. And some logic operations are AND operation, OR operation, etc. To do those operations, the microprocessor will use the instructions which is stored in the memory. Therefore, the memory mapped IO in this 8085 microprocessor is the arithmetic and logic operations. Therefore, for this question, the answer is D option. Next is KSET 2018 question. The question is the maximum number of IO ports that can be interfaced to Intel 8085 microprocessor is. These are all the options. We know that from the 8085 microprocessor, which is having 8-bit input, therefore 2 to the power of 8 combinations, that is 256. Therefore, it can have a maximum number of inputs for a 8085 microprocessor is 256. Therefore, for this question, the answer is D option. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.